I'm gonna show you how to put the engine oil here in your BMW. It's 530i. My daughter's gauge on her vehicle was showing low. It said 1 quart. So the only thing you have to do is pop the hood and you look right here. Recommended castor oil, BMW. So only thing you're going to do is turn this thing. And this pops right up. You take your funnel or whatever you got and you put your oil in. Right, then what you want to do, close it, turn it, make sure it locks in place, and that's it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and look at my previous video on about how to check the engine oil level. It's no dipstick on this thing. It have to be done on the computer screen. Thank you and have a great day.